At Genesis Home Improvements, we recently completed a stunning window replacement. We replaced the old white framed windows with sleek, modern black-on-black frames. Our skilled installers took great care in removing the existing windows and frames. They carefully measured and made necessary adjustments to ensure the new windows fit seamlessly into the openings. Precision is key, so we made sure everything was just right before moving forward. Next, we caulked each window's interior, ensuring a perfect seal. We drilled the frames in place to secure them, giving the windows a firm and lasting hold. We also added weather stripping for maximum energy efficiency and comfort. To protect the home's light-colored exterior, our team carefully laid down tape before applying the black caulk, preventing any mess. After removing the protective plastic coverings and a final wipe down, the new windows look fantastic, bringing beauty, efficiency, and modern style to this home. At Genesis Home Improvements, we pride ourselves on attention to detail, ensuring your windows are installed to perfection.
Hi, my name is Veronica. I'm here in Escondido, California. We recently hired Genesis to do all of our windows in our home, and we decided to do the black on black, which was a new product for Genesis. We absolutely love how they look. It's definitely modernized the look of our home, and I can't even tell you how awesome working with everybody from start to finish has been with Genesis. I have never had any contract work done in our home that was so fun actually, and dependable. The communication with them has been spot on from day one. Everything that they said they would do, they delivered on the same days. There was no delays in anything. Their communication has, like I said, has been absolutely amazing, and I would absolutely recommend them like 10 out of 10, 11 out of 10 if I could.